Alright, what's up guys? It's 11 o'clock. I'm just now getting to work. I had an appointment I had to go to this morning, so we're a little bit late. I mean, not late, but a late start to this install that we have to go do. We have an indoor coil, indoor evaporator coil with a new condenser outside. I haven't even seen what it looks like. I don't know what I'm getting into here, and just hope I can get it done by 4 and go home on a good time. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. I'm gonna uncase this coil. Actually, that coil's too big, so we have to go back to the shop and get a different coil. Yay! This is a little guy. Glad we're not putting it back on that. Putting it right here. Is that a bent 90 or a braised 90? I mean a
bit.
Nice.
They did
If we can
that.
keep it, it'd be great. Just a little guy. Little crawl space action. Okay, we're cut free. Hey, for later, let's note that there's a good like 8 feet extra on this line set.
Really?
Coiled up right before it comes up.
That's good news to know.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to move this if I see it.
That cabinet.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get it.
See if you can bend the line sets for me. Oh yeah, you got it. Watch yourself. Perfect. Dude, look at this. Wow. Show them that. That was on this. Okay, this is where we're at. We're gonna go get the new coil, slide it in, braise it up. You know the deal. I keep grabbing buckets every time I'm here to get stuff. So I have like 40 buckets. Got Drake coming with a rock. We're in business. Dude, they're done. That's a big boy stuff right there. Bet you they wish they had air conditioning though. You gotta love that right there. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. They're gonna put a deck here, so this is all gonna be below that line. We don't really care how it looks, except for out here. Obviously, we'll strap everything up. Couple braze joints there, nitrogen. Yeah, buddy. it's coming along. Everything's raised up. Leak checking it right now. Not going anywhere. Throw it on the pump. We have to get one more junction box. Put it right there, which will be below the deck. And yeah, looks pretty tits. Show the inside, which also looks tits, of course. What did you think? Just have to make a new door for it. Money. Okay, it's on the pump. I don't normally pull through a manifold, but today we are. You can sue me if you'd like. My email is, it's in the description. So we got this going. I'm putting my micron gauge on that and we'll be good to go. Well, full disclosure, we had to come back to Lowe's. I need another junction box and another bag of rock to put a nice little skirting around it, but it takes what it takes. It's on the pump right now, so we're picking that up and going back to the job. That heat and humidity just smacks you right in the face. Probably would cover that. Okay, it's 4:40. This is where we're at. Pipe it in the drain. Just gotta get it down there and connect it back. These PVC to PVC adapter. Anyways, patch over that. Put some foam tape down the middle. And we're about to start it up, so. For the record, this is glued on here crooked, but my stuff is straight. See a little piece right there. And of course, whatever. Okay, I'm forcing myself to stop here. My OCD is just taking over. There's metal under there, but it doesn't look good, so I started to foam tape it, and whatever. That's the finished product. I think it looks great. Airtight. Put some insulation on that. There's the drain. Yep. Back into the abyss. Oh Lord. Over there is the line set and the drain. I just gotta glue it up, so let's go do this. Okay, time to fire this thing up. We'll turn the SSU back on. Hit the breaker. Okay, fan came on. Looking at a 45-degree coil, 410A. It's looking good. This will all be covered with a deck here soon, so this will be sticking out. Looks good. You gotta love it. Pick up the tools and get out of here. Finished product. Beautiful. 520. All right, guys, on the way home, 5:30, 6.5 hours to get that job done. For what we had to deal with, being told that, hey, by the way, I don't know if they told you, but we're moving that over 8 feet so we can put the deck there. I'm like, dude, nobody told. No, but that's not a problem. We can get her done for you. And our first Lowe's trip, I forgot to get 2 junction boxes. I knew we were gonna need it, and I just forgot. I only grabbed 1, so we had to go back to Lowe's. It is what it is. It takes what it takes, So that job is done, and I'm headed home. If you guys liked it, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, do I even need to tell you? You're just missing out. Subscribe and ring the bell, honestly, because I'm posting every Monday through Friday, so. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.